am pretty sure this is my 15th time making this because every time I start, someone walks in my classroom and I have to stop it. So let's try this again. I'm going to use the ISTE standard 2C, which is all about customizing and personalizing learning activities using online resources and tools, and I think this goes along well with what I'm about to show you. I'm going to show you Google My Maps. So to get to Google My Map, it is a Google app, and it's something you already have on your computer, and it's awesome. So you go to your drive. This is my Fort Hays drive, and you click New, More, and then go to Google My Maps, and this is what your screen will look like. My computer's being a little slow, so I'll explain it to you while it loads. This is a great way to have kids create and collaborate in social studies. I think this is such a good tool. If you're into like cooperative learning or project-based learning, it really allows kids to have a better understanding of maps. And I use this. I will send this link out to kids through Google Classroom, and then they can hop on and they can all work on it at the same time. I used it for the 13 Original Colonies, but when I was given an example, it was at a social studies conference, and they were doing a family tree, and it was so cool because each kid was able to hop on here and put on their information, and they can customize the colors and different things so you could see what everyone was doing and how their family trees were all big but in different areas, so it was really interesting. This allows you to import data, share maps, customize colors. You can customize the icons and the pins, and you can easily find the distance or area of a location, whether you're using address or latitude and longitude. So this is your base map. And if you look here, you have 9 different options. I really like this satellite option. I think that's probably my favorite to look at. But when I'm doing projects for social studies, I usually use this map. Then right here, you can click Import, and you can actually import things from your Google Drive or Photos, anything like that. I do not have any spreadsheets on my Fort Hays account to show you, but that's how you would do that. You can share with kids, and then it's not really letting me do a whole lot, but I can also change the name of my map. If I click on this, you can change your name. You can search different places. You can add a marker. So if I add a marker, you can change its color. I can add more. You can select different things. You can put a picture in for that marker. It's pretty fun. So let's make this marker purple. And let's make it a different icon. Let's say that's a bed. So if you look, this is pretty customizable. And it's something kids really enjoy. So my content for this would be I would show teachers how to use it and students. So my goal for this is to have an interactive way for kids to learn social studies and to get a deeper understanding of what we're doing.